Hi, everybody. Are AI tutors the future of education? People can moan about the dangers of AI or get involved and shape the future of AI in society. Let's talk about the career opportunities in creating an educational system enhanced by AI. As a college professor, I truly believe there are significant methods of advancing education through artificial intelligence. Let's talk about AI tutors. I don't like the word tutors or tutoring. I don't want to get too stuck on terminology. I like words like personalized guided learning. I do believe in a future where the emphasis is on the student's self initiated learning, guided and enhanced by AI. I prefer AI mentor or a personalized learning assistant or a learning coach. We will not always stick AI in front of everything any more than we have to use the word net or the letter E as in email. I will use AI tutor and similar terms interchangeably. A key method in AI enhanced learning is what's called conversational AI. I'm not talking about simple chatbots or ChatGPT as we know it today in early June 2023. Very quickly, we will see more and more individualized virtual assistants powered by AI. One job to be done by these virtual assistants will be offering us individualized instruction tailored to the specific needs and interests of each student. I will be taking a deep dive in how that works in other videos. In this introductory video, I want to mention 5 topics that I will discuss further in this series. You can find these videos in the playlist, AI Education. The first topic, career opportunities in AI-enabled learning and education. These AI enabled learning mentors are not going to happen by magic. There's a lot of software engineering that's needed. There's a lot of integration of teaching and learning principles that are needed. But we will get to that point where we can turn to a virtual tutor to help us. At some point, we will stop thinking about it as AI. These online virtual teachers simply will be our reality. Virtual tutors do not obsolete the need for teachers in the offline world. Indeed, the value of in person teaching will increase, but it will be very different. The success of AI tutors are all about the experience of personalized learning. The ultimate solution to AI learning is not a chat bot. We need UX professionals, human computer interaction experts, and designers to think deeply about how people can interact with AI enabled learning assistants. The user experience is a problem that's never entirely solved. There are decades of work to be done. We always will be identifying new capabilities powered by AI, and we need people to work on designing these seamless and effective interactions between the capabilities of AI and people. Cognitive UX, cognitive user experience, describes the integration of UX design and human computer interaction for developing solutions powered by AI. Cognitive UX is a good career path for people who are not into computer science or mathematics, but they are really engaged and fascinated by the possibilities of AI. Cognitive UX is a good choice for someone with a liberal arts background, especially for those with degrees in the humanities. The second topic, simulated characters as personalized guides. This topic has become a core part of the work that I see myself doing for the rest of my life. Some people may prefer a text based chatbot, but people, it's not 1983. I want to engage in a lifelike simulation with historical or fictional characters, or create my own unique character to serve as my lifelong learning companion. AI mentors will take on human like personas and appearances, or one could prefer an anthropomorphic elephant tutor if you like, or choose some sage from a fantasy medieval empire to serve as your mentor, or you can call up an ancient Greek philosopher. Stoic philosophy is popular again. Let's interact with a personalized avatar of a Stoic philosopher who has the personality of some dude on a podcast. The possibilities are endless. The opportunities exist. The technologies are there or are in the pipeline and getting very close to production. When people say that AI will obsolete jobs, they forget that AI will create many more opportunities. People are needed to create all these systems. All these systems of AI tutors will need to evolve over years and go through multiple versions. All of that takes product managers, engineers, educators, and teams of people working together. I often hear students say, I'm not good at math, or I'm not good at computers. That's a mindset. That's negative self talk. The most likely reason that you're not good at math is that you did not have a good teacher, or at the time you took a math course, you were not at a moment in your life where you had established the conditions, the focus, the concentration, and the recognition of learning patterns that are needed for that topic. This is where a personalized AI mentor could come in and help you learn in a manner that adapts to your interests and learning style. The third topic, AI mentors with long-term memory. Effective AI tutors will be personalized to the point where your AI tutor remembers you over time, over a semester, over a year, over your entire education, and over your entire life. This persistent personalization is necessary to help you learn in a manner that adapts to your interests and learning style. Without this retention of knowing who you are as a person, as a student, as a learner, there will be significant limits to how an AI mentor can help an individual. This level of personalization, enabled by persistent memory in the AI, leads to the next two topics. The fourth topic, protocols for interoperability of personalized learning. Who will implement and control these AI enhanced educational systems? As an educator, I can tell you that it's not going to be the schools or the universities. The educational system, at least in the United States where I live and teach, will license and buy for a lot of money AI products and services from corporations. I am very concerned about only a few big players having a monopoly on AI. I'm referring to OpenAI and Microsoft. We need to see more open source initiatives in AI to level the playing field and ensure access to these technologies throughout the world. I like the efforts that Stability AI is making with providing open source models. I'm concerned about government regulating AI to the point where only the big corporations, who control the government, enact regulations that restrict innovation and entrepreneurial efforts in this AI enhanced educational environment. If personalized learning AI mentors have the long term memory about you that I described, then that's a lot of data about everybody. Each person should be able to make a choice about where they want to obtain their AI enhanced education, or if they want that at all. And those choices are going to change over time as new products and services enter and leave the market. Here's a practical example. You are a student in the fifth grade. Your entire childhood education has been enhanced by a personalized AI tutor in the form of a cool cat named Sylvester. Your parents moved to a new state where the schools use an entirely different AI platform. But your AI tutor, cool Sylvester the cat, is left behind, trapped in the AI of the old school. How does the data it has collected and learning styles that it has created for you transfer to your new environment? That kind of transition does not happen by magic. It happens by standards. It happens by protocols for interoperability. Another example. At 18, you graduate from high school. You head off to college in the fall. Does your AI mentor make that transition with you? Or does your university force you to use some clunky, intelligent learning tutor with a stupid name like AI Education and an interface out of 1998? That scenario is a harbinger of the collapse of higher education, but that's another topic. The takeaway is that we need open standards that define protocols for interoperability of personalized learning enhanced by AI. Walter Isaacson recently interviewed Sal Khan, the founder of Khan Academy, on the topic of AI tutor. That's the vision that Khan is promoting with creating an artificially intelligent tutor for every child through Khan Academy's partnership with OpenAI. I encourage you to watch the entire interview. I will leave a link in the description. 2 Minute Papers, one of the best channels by AI research, also did a video showcasing the latest AI tutors in Khan Academy. I'll also leave a link to that channel. Khan Academy is one initiative. There will be many companies of all sizes offering AI enhanced educational services. The fifth topic, privacy of data and guardrails for experiences. Okay, those are two topics, but they both fall under the umbrella of responsible AI. Sal Khan mentions that AI tutors will develop a longitudinal narrative of the student. That's the persistent memory about how a person learns and what they have learned. That type of data could be used for good. Personalized learning data could offer new types of certifications. Of course, data always can be used for negative purposes too. Likewise, I stress that AI enhanced learning is all about the experiences. Those experiences, if we are not careful, could be very traumatic for many people. At the same time, we must recognize that not everyone who benefits from an AI mentor is a child or a young adult. Indeed, in our attempts to understand AI, we are all undergoing the experiences of lifelong learning. Not everything in life is PG-13. We don't live in a Disney movie. We will need AI enhanced experiences for all ages, including adults. 25 years ago, I told my boss, everything you need to know about the internet, you can learn on the internet. Today, everything you need to know about AI, you can learn on the internet. In the future, everything you need to know, you can learn through AI. In this series, over the next few months, I'll go more in depth on all these topics. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Please share your questions, concerns, and insights in the comments.